Greetings to all. Life with a purpose. Daily we have to learn something new or we need to grow. Okay. Yesterday we have learnt about hydrocarbons, organic chemistry, what is the meaning of organic, what is chemistry, why we need to learn organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is not tough. Okay. Yesterday we have discussed about hydrocarbons also. Carbon and hydrogen combined together form hydrocarbons. From hydrocarbons, today we are going to discuss about hydroxy derivatives. Functional group of hydroxy derivative is OH. So there are two branches of hydroxy derivatives, that is called aliphatic alcohol and aromatic alcohols. Okay, CH4 is methane. Okay, this is the hydrocarbon. This is methane. Name is methane. Okay, instead of one, we need to remove one hydrogen atom. What is that? CH3. Instead of one hydrogen atom, we have to add one OH group. That is the functional group of alcohol. Okay, what is that name? Methyl alcohol. What is this? Methyl alcohol. Like that, from ethane. Ethane, what is the formula of ethane? C2H6. Okay. So, this is ethane. So, C2, we need to reduce one hydrogen atom. So, C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol. These are all aliphatic alcohols. Best example of aliphatic alcohols. So like that, this is methane. From methane we can get methyl alcohol. From methane we can get ethyl alcohol. Like from propane we can get propyl alcohol. From butane we can get butyl. Like that we can get all kind of alcohol. This and all are example of aliphatic alcohols. Okay. Students, we have discussed about aliphatic alcohols. Now we are going to discuss about aromatic alcohols. Before discussing about aromatic alcohols, we need to understand what is benzene. Okay, the aromatic is totally what depends on benzene. This is the formula of benzene. There are 6 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. This is called benzene. Okay. See, we need to reduce one hydrogen atom now for hydroxy derivatives. So C6H5OH. This is phenol. What is this? This is phenol. This is benzene. This is phenol. So phenol we are using in toilet now to clean the toilet, like a sanitizer. Phenyl, everyone used to tell phenyl. That is not phenyl. That is phenol. This is a kind of best example of aromatic alcohols. Okay. Hydroxy derivatives, we have seen what is that aliphatic alcohols and aromatic alcohols, and we have seen what is the example for aliphatic alcohol, what is the example for aromatic alcohols and all. Now we are going to learn about preparation method of alcohols, how we can prepare alcohols. Okay, so this is the common method. RX combined together with the potassium hydroxide will get alcohol and potassium. This is X is halogen. Here X is halogen, R is alkyl group. This is potassium hydroxide. This is alcohol. This is the side derivative. Okay, I will let you know. I will explain. Okay, instead of R, you can add alkyl group CH3. CH3. So X is a halogen. Halogen. Do you know what is halogen? Chlorine, bromine, iodine. This and all halogen. Okay. So we can add chlorine plus KOH. This is potassium hydroxide. This is potassium hydroxide. So what we will get? So you need to remove KCl, potassium chloride. This is methyl alcohol. CH3OH plus potassium chloride. Okay. Methyl alcohol plus potassium chloride. So like that you can add C2H5 iodine. We can add the halogen of iodine, and potassium hydroxide is standard. Okay, this is general method. C2H5I. This is ethyl iodide. This name is ethyl iodide. This is potassium hydroxide. How we can get the alcohol? We need to remove potassium iodide. We will get ethyl alcohol. This is what? Methyl alcohol. This is ethyl alcohol. C2H5OH plus potassium iodide. Ethyl alcohol plus potassium iodide. This is the general method of preparation of alcohols, the aliphatic alcohols. Okay. Let us learn the preparation method of alcohols. We have learned about the preparation method of aliphatic alcohol. This is preparation method of aromatic alcohol. For example, how to prepare phenol. That is the best example for aromatic alcohol, no, phenol. So how we can prepare phenol? Okay. This is called chlorobenzene. This is called chlorobenzene. We have to add chlorobenzene with the sodium hydroxide. At 623 Kelvin and 300 atmosphere, we will get sodium phenoxide. After that, we have to acidify sodium phenoxide with hydrochloric acid. We can prepare phenol. Let me explain again. This is chlorobenzene. With the sodium hydroxide. React together, we will get what? Sodium phenoxide. This is the byproduct. Sodium phenoxide. Again we have to acidify sodium phenoxide with hydrochloric acid. We can get phenol. This is the preparation method. One of the preparation method of phenol, that is aromatic alcohol. Okay. So got it, students? Let me reinforce and recall what we have learned today. Okay. Hydroxy derivatives. There are two types of hydroxy derivatives. So hydroxy derivative is commonly called alcohols. There are two types, aliphatic and aromatic. Then we have discussed about examples of aliphatic alcohols, ethyl alcohol, methyl alcohol, propyl, butyl alcohol, all the alcohols. Then aromatic alcohols, we have discussed about phenol. Then we have discussed about preparation method of aliphatic alcohol and aromatic alcohol. Let you know what is the structure of benzene. How we can write the structure of benzene. Always the student used to confuse why people are writing like this. So because now what is the formula? C6H6. There are 6 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. So we can easily write like this. This is also kind of benzene structure. This is also the kind of benzene structure. This is the proper structure. CH. So 6 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. So what is the difference between aliphatic alcohols and aromatic alcohols? Aliphatic means what? The compound is in a chain formation, formed like a chain. See, what is the example for aliphatic alcohol? Ethyl alcohol. Formula is you can write like this, otherwise you can write like this. C2H5OH. You have to count the carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms. C2H5OH also same. You can in textbook also they have mentioned like this, either like this. CH3CH2OH. Okay. This is the chain structure. Aromatic alcohol, the benzene and all cyclic structure. Cyclic and closed structure, not open structure. Cyclic closed structure. Okay. Thank you so much.